Hi everyone, after a long while and so often talked about it, here's the plane collection. I finally got around to dig it out of the boxes and God knows where else. I don't think I got everything out, but I think pretty much shows you guys what's in storage. The front row here, they're matchboxes. For a while, matchboxes had a line of planes called the Skybusters, which they just relaunch it now. You could say, but these are all metal die-cast, no plastic parts other than the small wheels. And yeah, somewhere between 79, older than that. You go as far back as I believe it's 70, 72. These are Ertl. These are from Ertl. That one is Matchbox, and this is also an Ertl. Couple of models. This is from a set 007 along with this chopper in Matchboxes. This is the granddaddy of all. This is basically what started, the Matchbox aviation, so to say. This is also Matchbox. So is this one. That's a Russian model. I believe the Hind. This is part of it. It's from the main line, and some models are from sets, like this one, the Rescue one. There's two Rescues here. The other one has a different base. These are Hot Wheels, but there's more of those. They ain't sets and stuff. So this one along with this one, they majorettes. These are matchboxes. The two DHLs over here, the difference is the front wheel. One is Thailand, one is Macau. These back here are Ertl, the choppers. These are from Road Champs. Yeah, kind of cheapos, but pretty good. That's the pride of the fleet. That's the Brazilian airline. And there's a reason why, a lot of you know. On this model, we have a bunch of them. I don't have all of them up here. I believe I got 14 up here altogether. Some of them are from sets, some of them are from I believe this one is a regular line, the main line. So is the red one here, and this one. One is an off-white. It's not burnt, but most of the other ones are from sets, different sets. From I have this one from the British set. The blue, the black one is the American set. The blue one is the British set, and the green one is the German set. This is from the main line. I believe this is from the main line as well. Then we have the fire jets.
on a Matchbox series. F-16s, F-14s, F-20, Tornadoes, Harriers, MiG-21s, the Thunderbolt, the F-14 Tomcat, the F-117, the Stealth. This is part of a set. This is actually 3 planes of the same. It goes along with, I believe, this chopper over here, the acrobatic team, right there. And there's a truck as well, along with other planes. That's the C-130 from the Coast Guard. This is a firefighter. The Red Baron. That's another model. You might have seen one of my clips before. I used on, I believe it was on the 4th of July. I did. This is Maisto. And these are TMC. They're full metal, no plastic parts other than the small wheels.
It took me about 12 hours to dig all this out and put them all over here. It's like, it's unbelievable. It's like sometimes you don't realize how long it takes. And it takes you that long. Some of the old ones, which are from Road Champs from World War II. That's the Japanese Zero or Zero. This is Road Champs as well. So is this. Now these are the very nice. These two, the Russian and the F-14. I think it's a MiG-27 or 29. It has retractable landing gears. The wheels are movable. They close, just like the real model. Let me see if I can show you guys the retractable gears. So there's the front one. It's well detailed, very well detailed. Dropping the bombs. And so is the MiG. They're from Ertl. The landings are collapsible as well, retreatable. This is from Maisto. So is this chopper. And these are the packagings. These are the Matchbox packaging. They go from like 78, I believe, to 95 or 93, I believe. And then it goes into these. This is from MC Toys, which is actually a Maisto company from like 80, 81, 82. And these are like come in packs, 5 packs. It's literally small as cow, but pretty nice detailed for the, and also for the price is not bad at all. And these are the new Matchboxes, the ones you're seeing at the stores today. But there's a lot of plastic to it. So, and these are the must have the cheaper ones when you put a. So this is it. That's about. I'm sure there is more, especially on the helicopters. Not the planes so much. But I've been talking about it for a while and always, trying to put a video together, but it never comes chance. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have fun. Keep the hobby of collecting interesting. I hope you all have some fun and enjoy while you're collecting. Have fun and you guys have a good one.